Hey everybody! The World of Ghibli on Instagram sent me a few handpicked items to share with you guys. And today, I'm super excited to build this Kiki paper theater ball. The instructions inside do come in English, which at first I was like, thank goodness, cause yo no hablo Nihongo. But it didn't really matter a whole ton, cause where are the texts anyways? These are the paper cutouts, and I love how delicate some of the pieces are. Inside this box is a Pokeball. Just kidding, just kidding. Overall, building the kit was very straightforward and it was therapeutic. However, some of the really tiny pieces were a bitch to glue. It's really well guided so that you can be precise with your applications. Even here, there's indicators to help you know where exactly to place things. Kiki got a BBL! It's time to assemble the whole thing. Here's what the completed paper theater looks like inside the display ball. It is so freaking cute, and if you're interested in making one of your own, go check out at World of Ghibli US on Instagram or on their website at insert long URL here.